Hi everyone, my name is Naman Soni and welcome to Android Study Jam session 2. In the last session we have started new to programming track, and in this session we will continue it. And in the last session we have discussed some basics of Kotlin and seen how to install Android Studio. Then in today's session we will see what is Android Studio and how to create our first app on Android Studio. Okay, let's get started. Okay, just go to that website u.cu and study jams, new to programming track. Okay, we have completed this Android basics introduction to Kotlin. Okay, now and we have started this Android basics, create your first Android app. And in this pathway we have seen introduction to Android Studio and seen how to install Android Studio. And now we will start create and run your first Android app. Okay, first of all we will see what is Android Studio. Android Studio is a tool, is an office for developing Android apps. In this task, what we have to do, in this code lab we will create our first Android app and see some basics of Android Studio. Okay, what we will learn from this task, how to create an Android Studio project for Android app using a template. We will see what is a template. Okay, now create your first app. So just open Android Studio. Okay, this is Android Studio starting page, and here we will select start a new Android project. If you have already created some apps, you can open an existing Android Studio project from here, and we will talk this later. What are these? First, let us start a new Android Studio project. Okay, what is this project template? Select here it is saying that select a project template. We will see what is a project template. Is an Android template is an Android app that have all the necessary parts but doesn't do too much. The purpose is to help you get started faster and save you some work. It means it has some pre-written code which will help you to get started faster. Okay, there are different project templates for different devices like phone and tablet. These are some project templates for Wear OS and for TV, for automotive. Those who are working on Android, we have some sample project templates, and we will choose this empty activity. What is this empty activity? Empty activity template is the simplest template that can be used to create an app. It has a single screen and displays a simple hello world message. Okay, this is empty activity. No, next, just select this empty activity and click next. It will take time. Now we have to configure our project. Here we have to fill some field. What is this name? This is the name of our project, and this is, we will write, as you can see it's saying just create an app with the name happy birthday. Okay, okay, now in the package name, we will see what is the package name. Package name used by the Android system to uniquely identify your app. Usually this defaults to the name of your organization followed by the name of the app, in the letter, all in the lowercase. Means here instead of writing com.example.happy birthday, you have to write com.your company name, then the app name. Okay, this is the way you have to write package name. And I would like that com.example is not supported when you try to upload your app on the Google Play Store. It will say com.example is not supported. Okay, you have to change here when you, because I am not uploading this app to the App Store, so you have to change here when you are creating your app, so that you don't need to change later. Okay, save location where you want to save your project, and language There are two languages, Kotlin and Java. We are using Java, so we are using Kotlin. And the minimum SDK, what is minimum SDK? Minimum SDK indicates the minimum version of Android that your app can run on. Means this is the minimum version of Android your app will run on this device only, below which your app will not run, below that Android version. Okay, now click finish. This will create your project setup. Same thing it is saying. And next we will see different windows. Okay, just close this, and you can see Gradle build, our project is setting up. Just wait for some time. Let's see what it is saying. When we first open our Android Studio, you will see three windows. I have not opened this first time, that's why I am only seeing two windows. The first window is the project window, where we have all our project files, and the second window is our code for the editing or code. Okay, editing window for editing code. And then the third what's new window shows news and useful tips. Okay. In the bottom right, you will see some process are running, means our project is setting up, so we have to wait for some time. You can see here. Okay, our project has set up completely successfully. Now we will jump to our next task. What we will see, okay, this is the project window. Here we have all our project files. Our main activity dot kt means Kotlin. Okay, and activity main dot xml. We will see what is this, and in now what we will do, we will run. It will create some chooses. Okay, we have chooses empty activity. It will create simple app which shows a hello world in the middle of the app, just empty activity with an empty activity. Okay, what we will do, we will create our Android virtual device, AVD, create one Android device. Okay, an emulator. How to create it? Just click on this create virtual device. I have already created one, that's why it is showing this window like this. You will see some other window because you have not created it first time. Okay, choose a device definition. There are different devices. You have to select one. Like we have for phone, we are creating an emulator for phone, and there are Nexus and Pixel 2. We will choose Pixel 2, Pixel or Nexus or which you want. This Pixel, select this Pixel, and here we have to select system image, means which Android version you want. Okay, there is some problem in my Android Studio, I don't know, but it is showing that it is showing Q API level 29, Android 10. We will select this. Okay, what is the name of your AVD? You have to write here 29. Just click finish. This will create a Android virtual device, and we will run it, and so that we can test our app on this virtual device. Just click on this play button. This starting AVD, you can see here process is running, starting AVD. This will take time. We will see some more thing. Okay, we have created the virtual device. Like you can see the list of different Android versions you can download and use those system image to create your Android virtual device. Okay, now we will run our app on our virtual device. It is taking time to start. Okay, we will wait. We will run our let us start our next task while it is starting our phone. Okay, find your project files in this. Here you can see here there are two views of our project files. Where first is Android version, which is used when you are it is well organized way of showing files, because when we are it is easier to navigate from one file to another in this format, in this view. Okay, and in the project source files, this is the way your project is in the file explorer. Means when you open your project in file explorer, you will see like this. Okay, this is the hierarchy of your project files. Okay, we will run our app. Okay, our Android started. In the Android Studio, just close this, open Android Studio, and here just select your device. You can select I have two devices, Redmi Y1, which is my physical device. I will show you how to connect your physical device also. And this is Pixel API 29, means this is our Android emulator, and we will run an app on this device. Just click to run our app on the device, just click this play button. You can see here there's a process is running. For some time it will launch emulator. And then after running the app, we will run the same app in the physical device. Okay, I will show you how to connect, how to turn on USB debugging and run it on our physical device. It is taking more than expected. Okay, build successful. Now it will install the app in our Android device and run. you can see here, it is installing our app on the Android device. It always hangs when we start our emulator. Let's click this Android. Okay, it is launching our app. Now you can see that we have created the app name happy birthday. Happy birthday is written here, and as I have said, the empty activity is nothing but a simple screen with hello world in the middle. This is the app, this is our app. Okay, where is our app? This is our app. Okay, now what I will do, I will close this emulator, and in the next task we will see how to run this app in our physical device. Okay, I'm just closing it. Okay, it is closed, our emulator is closed, and stop this by pressing this red button. Emulator process finished with exit code 0. Okay, now in the what we have to do, we have to run our app on a mobile device. Okay, what we will do, we will take a codelab, and in this task we will follow step by step method to run our app on physical device. Okay, this is the optional task, but we will see how to run the app on physical device. Okay, in this task, how to enable your Android device to run apps from, and how to connect and run an app in Android Studio on a physical Android device. These two things we will learn. Okay, and what you need to do this task: Android Studio downloaded and installed on your computer, an app project set up in Android Studio, and phone or tablet, and a USB cable to connect your Android device to your computer via their USB ports. Okay, now what we will do, we will turn on our USB debugging. Okay, you can see this is my Android device, and what we have on your Android device, open settings. I will just open my settings and search for about phone. Okay, this is my about phone, and tap on the build number. This is my build number, MIUI version this global 11.0.2. This is my build number. I will tap on this 7 times. Okay, I have already tapped 7 times. That's why it is saying that no, you don't you are already a developer. Okay, after that only our developer options in the settings will be activated only. Okay, and then in the you have to find where is developer options. MI in MI phones, it is inside additional settings, and this is developer option. Okay, and here you have to turn on this USB debugging and install via USB. Okay, these two things you have to enable. Now click on next, click on next. Okay, when you run your app on the Android device, you will get this allow USB debugging dialog. You just click on OK, and it will install the app on your physical device. We will try to select this. Just select this Xiaomi Redmi Y1. Okay, and then run app. This will launch the app on our physical device. You can see this is my physical device. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, I will uninstall this first, then try to build again. Build successful. Okay, install via USB. Now you can see that the app is successfully installed in our phone, and it has completely empty activity. Okay, this is empty activity inside which you can only see hello world in the middle. Okay, now in the next task, what we will do, just click on next, done. Now we will take one quiz. Okay, and then this path will be completed. Okay, we will take one quiz. IDE stands for integrated development environment. So what is this IDE? This Android Studio is an IDE. Okay, which of the following are advantage of your Android Studio? The advantages of using Android Studio is it can help prevent typos and other mistakes in your code. Okay, it comes with a virtual device called an emulator that can run your app. Okay, it can show you a real-time preview of how your app will look on screen while you code. Yes, it can automatically translate your app into other languages. No, it cannot do that. What does minimum SDK refer to in an Android Studio project? The minimum amount of storage that your app requires for download? No. The minimum number of devices that your app can access? No. The minimum download speed that your app requires? No. The minimum version of Android that your app can run on? Yes, this is the correct option. We will select this. What is the purpose of using a virtual device or Android Studio? To test your app on a device without having that physical device. Okay, in Android Studio, what is the project template? A project template is good for it causes Android Studio to download files faster. No, it makes getting started on building a new app faster. Okay, right. It provides a structure that follows best practices. Yes, it is the always only way to build apps that can preview in Android Studio. No, it makes building a new app less error prone by pre-populating the project with some app code. Yes. How do you create a new project in Android Studio? If you have a select file, new menu, Android Studio menu. Yes, this is the right option. In the welcome to Android Studio window, click start a new Android Studio. But this is also a right option. So this second last, both B and C are project in create a new project in Android Studio. Submit the answers. Okay, we have passed this pathway, and we will go to our next pathway. In this pathway, we will build a basic layout. We will learn what is layout and all those things, and we will create a birthday card app. Okay, so let's get started with a simple video.
Creating an app is to have an amazing idea.
Amazing idea. Celebrates my favorite holiday of the year.
Now, before we go and build an app, we need to know what goes into it.
Just like ingredients and how you want to put them all together.
In app, and we'll go into our app.
You'll get your own awesome birthday card app, which you'll build by the end of this pathway.
How do we get started?
Before we start drawing up this fast birthday card app, let's take a step back and think about what makes a great app. An app you really love using. What about it you love?
Well, it's probably really effective. It's really clear about what you need to do. The app is also likely to be efficient. There aren't any unnecessary steps in getting from what you want to accomplish to having it done. I bet your favorite app is beautiful. This is subjective, but to me, that means a simple, nice layout. And the app is probably also accessible. It's designed in a way that makes it easy for you to use.
So there you have it. That's the ultimate into the sunset.
Before you worry about your app being effective, efficient, beautiful, accessible, you have to decide what job needs to be accomplished. For this part, take a moment and think a birthday card you received. What was cool about it?
They're silly. They're interactive. They have fun pictures. They sing songs.
Pause this video and write down your own ideas. Don't worry, we'll still be here.
Thing is important to add into your birthday card app. Can't tell you what you think is special. However, there are some common things that all birthday cards have in common.
A happy birthday message,
A greeting with the name of the person,
maybe their age,
and card is from, and sign it with your name.
and in mind. Here's the birthday card app that we'll be building together.
It has a large image and text laid out on the screen.
This is for someone in your life.
What message would you write?
Sketch your app out with different ideas on how your card might look.
Get creative in your imagination.
Okay, let us create this app. What are the prerequisites for this lab? For this pathway, how to create a new you should know how to create a new app in Android Studio and how to run an app in the on your on your Android device. Okay, what we will learn from this pathway, we will see what is user interface elements such as views and view groups, and how to display text in a text view in an app. Text view is a view, and we will see how to create how to use these things, set attributes, and how to set attributes such as text, font and margin on a text view. We will see these things. Okay, what we will build this app. These are text views. Okay, these two are text views. Now click on next. It is guiding us that just create a activity project like this. Okay, we have already created this empty activity project. We will use this only. Okay, now what about user interfaces? User interfaces of an app is what you see on the screen: images, text, images, buttons and many other types of elements. The app shows things to the user and how the user interacts with the app. Each of these elements is what's called a view. Everything like text, images, buttons and many other types of elements, all are views. Almost everything you see on the screen of your app is a view. Views can be interactive like a clickable button or an editable. In this code lab you will work with the kind of view for displaying text and is called a text view. We will work with the views in the Android app don't just float on the screen by themselves. Views have relationships to each other. For example, an image may be next to some text and buttons may form a row. To organize views, we put them in a container. A view group is a container that view objects can sit in. Means view group contain views, different views. Okay, a simple view group is a constant layout which helps you arrange the views inside it in a flexible way. Means we can arrange different views in a flexible way wherever we want. Okay, uh, now in this task we will see what is layout editor. Okay, let us see what is layout editor. uh, what are the different parts of layout editor. On the left, which is denoted by 1, is the project window, which we have already seen. The project window holds different project files and folders. Okay, and at the center you can see two drawings, 4 and 5, which are different design views. This is the design view. Means this is the close approximation of what your screen will look like when the app runs. It is called the design view. Okay, the representation of right means this is the fifth one, is the blueprint view, which can be useful for the preparation. Okay, the palette 2 contains list of all different types of views which you can add to your app. The palette 2, it contains all different types of views which you can add to your design. Okay, and the component tree 3, which is denoted by 3, is a different representation of views of your screen. It lists all the views of your screen. Means all the views which we are using in our app will be listed here in a tree like structure. On the far right 6, which is our attributes. Means the views have their own attributes. When we click on a view, all the attributes for that view will be listed in the attribute column. Okay, let us see in the Android Studio. In this project window, just go to res. It stands for resource. All the resources like images, layouts, and app icon, all are listed here. All are in the layout folder. We can find our activity underscore main.xml, which is our layout file. Okay, this is the main layout file. When we run that, we have seen that in hello world is printed with a text view like this. Hello world. Okay, this is the text view. This palette, from this palette we can edit different image views, buttons, different views like image view, button, scroll view, switches. And this is a component tree. Here we are using constraint layout. The view inside the constraint layout places in a flexible way. Wherever we want, we can place them. And we are using a text view which is holding hello world string inside it, and that's why it is listed in component tree. Okay, because we are using it. Okay, and this is the attribute column. Just click on this text view. All the attributes of text view will be listed here. Okay, for what we will do in this task, we will just go to common attributes, and here you can find a text attribute. Just change it to happy birthday. Just click on it. Okay, but just press enter. You can see here it has changed to happy birthday, and here you can see one string, hard-coded string, happy birthday should use @sync resource. We will fix this later, and this is for this task. Okay, now go to next. Now in this task, what we will do, we will add two text views, one for happy birthday Sam, and here we have to place one text view from Emma. Okay, like that. So what we will do, we will first delete this text view and another new text view we have placed here, because we want happy birthday Sam here. Okay, now there is one error which is shown here. Just you can hover on that red part, that information dot, and there you can see that this view is not constrained, it only has design time position, so it will jump to 00 at runtime unless you add the constraint. So we have to add constraints, like we have to pass some margins, so that this to add margins, what we will do, just and attribute section, and in constraint widget inside layout, plus button, click on this plus button, and you can do, you can just, for example, give 16 margin from the top, and from left what you have to do, you have to same 16 margin for the left. Okay, you can see that that error has gone. And in the common attributes, what you can do, you can just change that text to happy birthday Sam. Okay, and press enter. And same, just add one more text view we have to add, place here. Similarly, just give right margin 16 and bottom margin, and then in the common attribute, just change the text to from Emma. Okay, and click enter. Now what we can do, we can just change the appearance of this text view. What we will do, in the common attributes, click on this drop down text appearance, and in the font family, just change it to casual. Okay, and in the same for this happy birthday Sam, font family to casual now, and text size to 36 sp. Okay, and for this sp stand for scalable pixel, and for this, just change font size to text size to 36 sp. You can change the color of the text also. You can change the text color using this. Just click on this text color and select what you want. Okay, in this in this task, you have to do only the happy birthday from Emma, and in the next task, you can add what they are saying. You can just change the appearance of the text, you can change the text size, and you can change the font family, all those things. Okay, which I have already shown to you. Okay, and if you want to learn more about this DP versus SP, you can go through this link. Okay, I have to sign in again. Okay, done. Click on this done. Okay, add images to your Android app. What we will do, we will add one image to our Android app. Set up your app. In this we will learn how to add an image or photo to your Android app, how to display an image to your Android app, and how to extract text into a string resources to make it easier to translate your app and use strings. The error you are seeing here, the hard-coded string, we will see how to fix this. And what you will build, extend the happy birthday app to add an image. Okay, next, add an image to your project. Click here to access the image of birthday card on GitHub. Just click on this link and download the image. Internet is somewhat slow. My internet is not working good for the last 2 days. That's why I'm we'll see that later. What we have to do in the we will download this android party.png. Sorry, make note of where you have saved it. For example, download folder. Okay, we will remember where we have downloaded and add that image into a resource manager. Okay, to add that, how to add that, just go to view and tool windows. Just go to view and tool windows, resource manager. Okay, just click on this plus button and add in raw resource file. Okay, sorry, import raw, and where we have placed that, the desktop. This is our png. Click OK, then next, import, and you can see we have successfully imported that android party.png file. And just close this link, and in the project you can see here in the drawable, android party.png have successfully imported. Now we can use this image. What we will do, we will just click on this image view and place this here, and click this android party to use that in the to use image view, to use this image to place that image into the your screen. Okay, and what we'll do, we will just keep this in the middle and just apply constraint to it, otherwise it will be placed to 0 0. Okay, now in the attributes column, what you can do, you can just change the scale type to center crop. Okay, now you can change the size of your image. Okay, now as you can see, that our image has covered all our two text views. Okay, behind it, the image view has come upon the two text views. So what we will do, we will just click this image view and pick this image view and place before this text view. So what it will do, that image view will go behind from those with the two text views. Okay, and now you can see the happy birthday Sam and text view are visible. Okay, now how to fix these error, hard-coded string, just click on this error and suggested fix, just click on this fix. What it will do, it will just add those strings in this strings.xml file. Okay, click OK. Hard-coded string fix. Just click OK. Okay, now you can see that both the warnings has gone. Now what we will do, we will check that the app is working on the physical device or not. Just connect the physical device, Xiaomi Redmi Y1. It is already connected, and thus click on the play button. This will take some time and it will run the app on our device. Okay, it is installing our the app on the phone. Okay, you can see here that we have successfully created the birthday app, which is which is which is having two text views and one image view. And in this task we have seen how to add image view and seen how to style text views. And okay, that's all for this session. And in the next session, what we will do, we will create one dice roller app, and that's all for this session. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.